It's late out on a Sunday, but I finally got this done. This is one thing that I was worried about because these are two brand new wheels at about $125 a piece. And with all my hand surgeries, it was extremely hard to get these on. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to do it. So Miss DIO 2018 helped me. These are Metzler tires, which I bought a couple years ago, but they're the same as the other tires, probably built in the same Brazil plant. I tried not to scratch up the wheels at all, as best I could anyway. This is the rear wheel right here. This is what happens when you use the white marker, and the white marker cracks a little bit. Kind of gives it a retro look though. I'm going to see if I can balance that. Fuck that up, damn it. Put a little white paint on that. The tires held up pretty good, and so did the wheels. This is the front wheel. It comes with the front seal, front internal guts, the front bearings, which are nice. And it's only going to be a matter of time before Honda stops making these wheels. Now, my original wheels are 25 years old and they're doing great, but if your wheels go out, I've never noticed any new wheels for sale. I've seen, you know, really crummy ones that have been stuck in a swamp or something for years, that are for sale, but I think that I'm glad I got a new set. I think the front wheel, no, that's the rear wheel right there. That one was easy to get. This front wheel was back ordered. I think they had to go all the way, and these are made in Japan. They're not made in, you know, southern India or Bangladesh or Switzerland or South Africa. They're made in Japan. And then on one of my next videos, I'm gonna buy some more of these white, this white marker you can get on eBay for like $1. It's just a little pin, and it's got oil markers in it, which are real good for. They're real good. Once every 6 months, you can do the name on your tire, and they just make the bike look more of like a racing bike. You get all kinds of tires, but they really work good on, say, like the Metzler or the it's other tires for a Lamborghini. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can balance these tires. What I'm hoping is that the other tires that I tried to balance, I had a bunch of that tire inflate shit in them, and I think that's what threw the balance off. Why is that like that? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm one step closer and I feel better. And I can put these on in a few days, and I'm still depressed because I just haven't got to the bike. I work all day and I'm trying. I'm slow, but I want to really ride this bike. I'm just really want to do that. Alright, so that's where we are in Project DIO. New tires, new wheels, and new inner tubes are all installed. Now I just got to put them on the bike and then do the electrics, and that'll be about it.